Welcome to our Cinematic Storycraft English Learning YouTube channel.
Today is very interesting. Story Housewife Daily Routine. This story is helpful for your English, learning, listening, and speaking skills. So listen carefully and feel free and enjoy the story.
Every morning, the gentle hum of the alarm clock wakes Elena just before dawn. Her routine is like a well-composed symphony, each part moving seamlessly into the next, creating a harmonious start to the day. As the first light of the sun starts to peek through the bedroom curtains, she stretches with a soft yawn and slips quietly out of bed, careful not to wake me. Her dedication to an early start is unwavering, driven by her commitment to make the most of each day. Elena's first destination is the kitchen, where she prepares a pot of coffee. The rich aroma fills the air, signaling the start of her day. She takes a few moments to herself, sipping the hot, dark liquid while standing by the window, watching the world wake up outside. This is her sacred time, a few minutes of peace before the house comes to life. She savors every sip, feeling the warmth spread through her body, awakening her senses and preparing her for the day ahead.
With her coffee cup emptied and her mind clear, she moves on to her morning workout. Elena has always been passionate about staying fit, and her dedication to her health is inspiring. She rolls out her yoga mat in the living room, where she practices a series of poses that challenge her strength and flexibility. The fluid movements, combined with deep, controlled breaths, help her center herself and build the energy she needs for the day. By the time she finishes, a light sheen of sweat glistens on her skin, a testament to her hard work and commitment. After a quick shower, Elena transitions smoothly into her role as a homemaker. She loves cooking, and breakfast is her chance to experiment with new recipes. Today, it's a colorful vegetable frittata packed with fresh spinach, tomatoes, and bell peppers. As she chops and sautés, she hums softly, the sound blending with the sizzle of vegetables in the pan. The smell of cooking fills the house, a warm, inviting scent that promises a delicious start to the day.
As the frittata bakes in the oven, Elena sets the table with care. She always makes breakfast an event, even on the simplest of mornings. Fresh flowers in a vase, neatly folded napkins, and a jug of freshly squeezed orange juice add a touch of elegance to the everyday routine. When the food is ready, she calls us to the table, her voice bright and cheerful. Sharing breakfast with Elena is one of my favorite parts of the day. Her joy is infectious, and her culinary skills never cease to amaze me. Once breakfast is over and the dishes are cleared away, Elena's attention shifts to her career. She's a freelance graphic designer, and her home office is a reflection of her creativity and passion. The walls are adorned with her artwork, and her desk is neatly organized, with her laptop at the center. She starts her workday by checking emails and planning her schedule, balancing multiple projects with ease. Her concentration is intense, her fingers flying over the keyboard as she brings her clients' visions to life. Elena's work is not just a job to her. It's an expression of who she is. She pours her heart and soul into every design, and her dedication is evident in the quality of her work. Despite the challenges and tight deadlines, she never loses her composure. She takes short breaks throughout the morning, stepping outside to breathe in the fresh air and clear her mind. These moments of calm help her stay focused and energized.
By midday, Elena is ready for a change of pace. She loves nature and often spends her lunch break in the garden. The backyard is her sanctuary, a place where she can unwind and reconnect with the natural world. She tends to her plants with care, pulling weeds, watering flowers, and pruning bushes. The vibrant colors and fragrant blooms are a testament to her green thumb and her nurturing spirit. She often brings in fresh herbs and flowers, adding a touch of nature to our home.
Lunch is usually a simple affair, a light salad or a hearty sandwich, something quick and healthy. Elena believes in the importance of good nutrition, and she makes sure that every meal is balanced and nourishing. After lunch, she often takes a few minutes to read a book or listen to music, allowing herself a moment of relaxation before diving back into work. The afternoon passes in a blur of productivity. Elena is in her element, designing, creating, and collaborating with clients. Her passion and dedication are unwavering, and her ability to manage her time and tasks is impressive. Despite the demands of her job, she always finds time to connect with me throughout the day, sending a quick text or sharing a brief conversation over coffee. These small gestures keep us close, even when we're busy. As the sun begins to set, Elena wraps up her work and shifts her focus back to the home. Dinner is another opportunity for her to showcase her culinary skills. Tonight, she's making homemade pasta, a favorite of ours. The kitchen becomes a whirlwind of activity as she kneads dough, rolls out pasta, and prepares a rich, flavorful sauce. The aroma is mouth-watering, and I can't help but sneak a taste when she's not looking. We sit down to dinner together, enjoying the fruits of her labor. Elena's ability to create such delicious meals from scratch never ceases to amaze me. We talk about our day, sharing stories and laughter. It's a time of connection and relaxation, a chance to unwind and enjoy each other's company. After dinner, we clean up together, a shared task that makes the chore feel less like work and more like teamwork. With the kitchen tidied and the leftovers stored away, we settle into the living room for some quality time. Sometimes we watch a movie or a TV show. Other times we play a board game or simply talk. Elena's presence is a constant source of comfort and joy, and I cherish these moments of togetherness. As the night draws to a close, Elena takes some time to prepare for the next day. She sets out her clothes, organizes her workspace, and makes a list of tasks to tackle in the morning. Her meticulous planning ensures that she can hit the ground running when the new day begins. Finally, she winds down with a cup of herbal tea and a good book, relaxing in bed as she reads a few chapters before sleep. Elena's day is a perfect blend of productivity, creativity, and care. Her dedication to her health, her work, and our home is truly inspiring. She moves through each day with grace and purpose, finding joy in the small moments and tackling challenges with determination. Her routine is a testament to her strength and character, and I feel incredibly fortunate to share my life with such an amazing woman. Comment your feedback. Like and subscribe our channel.